Today I will be replacing the broken power window switch that I got from eBay. Here's the switch, it looks just like it. So there's my broken power window switch. As you can see, one of the buttons has broken off. Pretty easy, you just go underneath right here. There is a Torx screw down here, and that size is a T30 Torx. So I'm just going to take that off, and you should be able to take this bottom panel off. So with that, I should be able to just pop this bottom panel off, just like that. From here, you can access the switch underneath. You see the wires right there. I will get a panel tool, and it releases the sides and the switch drops down. I will do this off camera. Here's the new switch, and you can see one tab here, another tab here, and on the other side, two more tabs. You pry the panel tool underneath, and it will release the whole switch, and it should come down. Once again, I'll do this off camera because I don't have that many hands. New switch is in. The old one was terrible getting it out, but I finally did manage to get it out. As you can see, broken one is out, and the new one is in, and all window switches seem to work.